Hey, good morning, my friends. MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here with the MLive Morning Weather Update brought to you by Consumers Energy now. And we have a full-fledged snowstorm across the UP, 6 to 12 inches common in most locations. I'll show that to you in just a moment. And up to 32 inches possible southwest of Marquette in those higher elevations. Northern lower, you have a little bit of accumulation on the way in the higher elevations, probably not on the roads, a couple of inches. I'll show that to you. And for those of us in southern lower Michigan, we may see a snow shower or two by Thursday morning, but do not despair. Look at the calendar and I'll show you that by early next week we're solidly into the 60s and heading toward 70 degrees. Hey, good morning, Chris McLean. Thanks for watching. Linda Thompson and Sterling, good morning. Jack Bad, good morning to you. So let's get on into it and show you what's going on here. And this is going to be the radar forecast, and it'll give you a good idea that, in these kind of April snowstorms, the snow struggles because, we even have temperatures in the snow at 34, 35 degrees, but it can snow heavily enough at this time of the year in the UP when it's 33, 34 that the snow piles up faster than it melts. So we go to noon and we have some rain showers from Saginaw, Bay City, the Thumb over toward Traverse City and Muskegon, and the storm really getting going late this afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. It's a solid rain with some thunderstorms. Now, if you are traveling south today, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, in the heart of a potential significant dangerous severe weather outbreak where they're forecasting the possibility of EF2 tornadoes or stronger, be careful there if you're traveling south. Now, this is this evening, so we're still rain showers. Traverse City, still probably rain and coming down pretty hard. Looks like a ½ inch to an inch of liquid in the northern parts of lower Michigan. Southern lower is more sporadic showers with thunderstorms, and there comes the snow across the UP developing tonight, and you see the dark blue. That's the heavy snow from Sault Ste. Marie all across the UP down into much of Wisconsin, and we are on the warm side of this storm system, even drying out. Lower Michigan, tomorrow, not super wet, just a sporadic, fairly mild rain shower. Hey, good morning, Mark Bowers. Manasota Key this morning. Okay. Florida checking in. Blake Williams, thanks for watching. And Judy Blackston, good morning. So this is tomorrow. And again, it's rain showers across lower Michigan as the temperature warms to near 40. And it's a snowstorm across the UP. Now, as we get to Thursday morning, the colder air collapses down into lower Michigan, and we all see some snow showers. But again, temperatures at 35 will keep the snow from sticking really, especially on the roads. The higher elevations, Hillman, Mayo, Atlanta, through Gaylord, to Mansalona, you may have some snow sticking there. So this is the longer term. So here's our storm system, and like I said, Thursday is a showery day with some snow, possible anywhere. The Thumb, even into the Detroit area, Ann Arbor, you could see some flakes of snow. April Pacino, do you see Jackson getting severe weather this afternoon or this evening? Looks like it's going to stay south of Michigan. Just south of Michigan is where they have the northern edge of the severe weather. Hey, John Robert Williams, he's still checking in from Malawi, Africa. I'll bet it's pretty warm there. So we're going into the weekend. The weekend looks dry, and the next weather system, you notice no snow in it, and that's because we make the next jump to warm spring-like weather, which I think will, for the most part, stick. Yeah, we could still have a frosty morning, a couple of hours near sunrise, down to 25, 28 in the next couple of weeks in April, but the sun takes care of that quickly, and then we're off into the 50s in the morning, and then 60s, and it looks like we may have some 70s in our future. So here's the snowfall forecast. Look at that. From Marquette westward, 6 to 18 inches of snow. Eastern half of the UP, 3 to 6. And you get to Leelanau County, you might have 2 to 4 inches in the higher ridge of Leelanau County into Benzie County. And then also Mansalota up to toward Mackinac City. And I'm showing you a snow depth just to show you that how quickly it will melt off as you get into the middle of the day on Wednesday. All right, now we jump gears, switch gears, and we go to temperatures, and you'll see what I'm talking about as we jump to spring come early next week. So today we're 60 at the border, we're 50s in Grand Rapids and Saginaw Bay City, we're 40-ish in Traverse City, and in the upper 30s in the UP. Tomorrow, a cool day because of the showers around, temperatures in the 40s. Thursday, cold in the Northeast, highs in the upper 30s for Atlanta and Mayo and Hillman and Oscoda. Then Friday back to flirting with 50 in most places. Saturday in the 50s. Sunday, most places starting to flirt with 60. Monday, 60s in the south, near 60 in the north. Tuesday, about 70 degrees, and Wednesday, pretty uniform 70 degrees across all of lower Michigan, and Thursday. So you can tell that we really make a temperature change as we get into next week. And it's probably, obviously we have weather and temperatures that go up and down. So the next cold front would drop us into highs in the 50s rather than highs in the 30s and 40s. So we are making that jump definitely as we get into the next week or so here in April. So there it is, snowstorm across the UP. Northern lower, if you're concerned still about driving in snow, the best advice, wait till after about 9 in the morning tomorrow, and the temperature gets to 35 or 36. You don't have any problems in that case. And then avoid driving in the middle of the night, Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. And again, wait until about 9 or 10 Thursday morning. Temperatures pop up well above freezing, and the roads should be no problems whatsoever across northern lower Michigan. Hey, thanks for joining me. This has been the MLive Morning Weather Update brought to you by Consumers Energy, and of course we'll keep you updated on the snow on MLive. And now I'm going to start to focus on the cloud cover for the eclipse. I know a lot of folks are trying to find that good spot so we can start to get an idea on that. And then also we'll be starting to focus on spring. So thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Take care.